Let us see the next construction. To construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. Now here in this figure, O is the center of this circle and point P is in the exterior of the circle. And from this point P, we can draw two tangents, line PA and line PB. These are the tangents of the circle. A and B are the point of contacts which are on the circle. Now to draw these tangents, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment OP, because in question this segment OP is given. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment OP to get the midpoint of OP. And then by taking M as a center and OM as radius, we can draw the circle. So that OP will be the diameter of that new circle. And this circle intersect at point A and B on the circle. So if you draw this OA segment, we will get angle OAP is 90 degree. So to get this 90 degree angle, we have to draw this second circle, because angle inscribed in the semicircle, this will be the semicircle. Angle inscribed in this semicircle is 90 degree. So that, and we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So to get this 90 degree angle, we have to draw this second circle. And to draw this second circle, we have to draw this perpendicular bisector. Okay. So let us see this type of construction from practice set 4.2. Question number 6. Draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 cm. Take point Q at a distance 5.5 cm from the center. Construct tangents to the circle from point Q. So let us first, we will draw a rough figure. So question number 6. In rough figure, first draw one circle. Then according to the question, we have to take point Q at a distance 5.5 cm from the center. From center 5.5 cm distance, we have to take point Q. P is the center of the circle. Okay, this distance is 5.5 cm. And from this point Q, we have to draw two tangents like this. Give name here A, B. Now this is the rough figure. So let us do pair construction. For that, we have to take one center, give name P. The radius of the circle is given 3.4 cm. Take 3.4 cm distance and draw circle. Next question is, from this center we have to take point Q at distance 5.5 cm. So the first line of this scale we have to coincide on center, and from this center we have to draw a segment having length 5.5 centimeter, and this point is point Q. Now as I explain you this analysis, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. So for that we have to keep compass on point Q, take distance more than half. Now I hope you know how to draw perpendicular bisector. Keep the compass on point P. So this is perpendicular, to show your perpendicular sign, and for this intersection give any name. I gave M. Now student, this perpendicular bisector you may get in the interior of the circle or in the exterior of the circle, or it may touches the circle. This depends on the distance from the center it's given. If this distance from the center is exactly equal to the diameter of this circle, you will get this perpendicular bisector touching the circle. If this distance is less than the diameter of this circle, you will get this perpendicular bisector in the interior of the circle. And if this distance is greater than diameter of this circle, you will get this perpendicular bisector in the exterior of the circle. Okay. So not necessary that every time it will come in the interior of the circle or in the exterior of the circle. It depends on this distance. Okay. Now here we got the midpoint of segment PQ. We have to draw arc. Take compass, keep it on point M, and take radius equal to PM, this much. Okay. And you have to draw arc like this. You have to draw arc like this, which passes through center P and which intersect the circle. Okay. You can draw full circle also, no problem. Now this arc intersect this original circle at 2 points. So here make intersection point A, and this second point is point B. And now from point Q you have to draw lines. So this is first tangent. And this one is second tangent. You have to put arrow here. So this way we can draw tangents from exterior point to the circle. Followed? Let us see one more example. Question number 7. Draw a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter. Construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. So let us first draw rough figure. From the center the distance is 7.3 centimeter. Here name for the center and the point is not given, so we can take any name here for center and for this point. The radius of this circle is given 4.1 centimeter, and the distance from the center, this distance is given 7.3 centimeter. And from this point B, we have to draw tangents. Now we are given name P and Q. So BP and BQ are the tangents. So let us do the fair figure. First we have to take center. Give name for center, point A. Now the radius of the circle is given 4.1 centimeter. Now from center we have to take point B at distance 7.3 centimeter. 7.3. So B. This radius is 4.1 centimeter and this distance is 7.3 centimeter. Now what we have to do? Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Keep compass on point B. Take more than half distance. Make arcs. Now keep compass on B. Intersect these arcs. Make point of intersection here. Draw line passing through this. Here this is perpendicular. Give name here M. Now see student, radius of the circle is given 4.1 centimeter and this distance is 7.3. This distance is less than diameter of the circle. That's why again we got this perpendicular in the interior of the circle. Keep compass on this point M. Take radius equal to AM and draw arc like this. Okay. So this arc intersect at these 2 points. Give name P, Q and draw line passing through these points. So this is first tangent and this one is second tangent. So this way we draw tangents to the circle from exterior point. Followed?